Manesar, Gurgaon right now. Mr. Malik, if you can also hear me, sir, it will be great if you could also react. This is an oxygen plant where people, like we have seen day in, day out, at many places have been waiting for oxygen supply to get their cylinders refilled for a very long time. We have seen this on almost every filling station in the national capital. There is something different about this. I'll tell you why. आप लोग ये जो पेपर जो हाथ में लेके खड़े हुए हैं, ये क्यों पेपर लेके हाथ में खड़े हुए हैं? कब से खड़े हुए हैं? और
ये सुबह 7 बजे से सर खड़े हुए हैं।
हाँ।
बोले सिलेंडर यहाँ मिलेंगे, फिर कह रहा है दिल्ली के वाले को नहीं मिलेंगे, तो
दिल्ली वालों को नहीं मिलेंगे।
हाँ। तो बताइए सर, अभी तक 7 बजे से अभी तक खड़े हैं, फिर बोल रहे 4 बजे गैस खत्म हो गए।
हाँ।
तो
आप कब से खड़े हैं भाई साहब?
7:30 बजे से हम खड़े हैं, दिल्ली से आए हैं।
हाँ।
हमारे मालिक कुछ कोरोना पॉजिटिव हो चुका है। ग्रेटर नोएडा सेक्टर 1 में ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है। वेरी सीरियस इशू है। हम लोग मोदी सरकार को गुहार कर रहे हैं, हम लोग के लिए गैस का इंतजाम कराइए और ये जितना जान सब जा रहा है सबको बचाइए। जगन्नाथ सबको मंगल करेंगे। हम बड़ी
आप भी दिल्ली से आए हैं?
सर हम 8 बजे से यहाँ लगे हुए लाइन में।
हाँ।
और वही अपना धीरे धीरे जो है लाइन यहाँ तक बढ़ते हुए आए हैं और हम लोग इंतजार में हैं कि हम लोग का भी नंबर आए और हम लोग को मिले गैस।
हाँ।
लेकिन कुछ लोगों जो वहाँ से अंदर से वापसी आ रहे थे उनसे पूछ रहे तो वो कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ गुड़गांव वाले को मिल रहे हैं।
हाँ।
दिल्ली वाले को नहीं मिल रहे हैं। हम लोग दिल्ली का पेपर जिसका है वो वापसी चले जाओ।
I have not seen this. I have not seen this anywhere. I will just show you. In fact, there is a massive line of cylinders after cylinders which is here, and everybody right now is standing with their Aadhaar card. क्या-क्या पेपर लाने को बोला गया आप लोगों को?
आधार सर्टिफिकेट, पेशेंट का आधार कार्ड और पेशेंट की कोविड पॉजिटिव की रिपोर्ट
और डॉक्टर का प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भी चाहिए।
जिसका आधार कार्ड गुड़गांव का है उसको मिल रहा है।
जिसका आधार कार्ड गुड़गांव का है उसी को मिल रहा है, बाकी लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा है।
मोदी सर को भी नहीं दे रहे हैं। हरियाणा वालों के लिए भी अलाउ नहीं है।
सिर्फ गुड़गांव डिस्ट्रिक्ट
ओनली फॉर गुड़गांव का जो है उसका आईडी प्रूफ देख रहे हैं, फिर उसका दे पा रहे हैं सर।
अंदर है क्या?
सर जब मोदी सरकार
ओके, एक मिनट सर, आपने बोल लिया, एक मिनट रुक जाइए। यू नो मिस्टर रमन मलिक, sir, I just want to come to you, sir. At a time when the entire country is grappling with a crisis, I'm sure there are many patients from Delhi, those who are in Gurgaon, and many patients from Gurgaon and other places in Haryana, those who are right now on hospital beds in Delhi. Can there be these kind of restrictions? People are struggling, sir. They are standing here being told that if you are from Delhi, you will not get oxygen refilled here.
Ankit, please understand, Delhi as it is, because of various reasons, let's not go about and start talking about what all has been done in the 45,000 crore rupee health, reforms that the government has done. Let's talk about humanity. If you start analyzing each and every suburb of the NCR, over 50% of the beds are occupied by residents of Delhi. Now you tell me, where am I supposed to take people who are COVID positive from Gurugram or any other place or villages in and around in the district Gurugram? Where am I supposed to throw them? Am I supposed to throw them? What am I supposed to do? My health services are limited as per my district. They are not here, they are not competent to handle the total overload. Sonipat is filled with Delhi.
But Mr. Raman Malik, the Delhi government will also throw some data and will tell me that 30-40% beds are from people from outside. Sir, you are talking about humanity. I just want to ask you a very humane question, sir. Is this the time to divide ourselves into these states and regionalism where people are fighting every single minute to keep their loved ones alive?
Something. Please listen to me. I am not going to go on the path of a certain gentleman who calls himself the Shahenshah of Delhi, who says that 500 रुपए की टिकट लेकर आते हैं, 5 लाख रुपए का इलाज ले जाते हैं. I want to ask you something, and a very humane question. If everybody from the national capital comes into the suburbs and every place else, yes, it is a human thing, and we are not refusing them any hospital bed. We are not refusing anything. But tell me something. जो यहाँ के लोग हैं, जो पूरे हरियाणा के लोग हैं, मैं उनको क्या जवाब दूं? वो कौन सी खाई में जाके मरे?
पर रमन जी, हरियाणा से भी लोग जो गुड़गांव से भी लोग जो दिल्ली जा रहे हैं, इस समय प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में हैं, सरकारी हॉस्पिटल में हैं, उनको भी मना तो अभी करा नहीं जा रहा है. आप मुझे आप ये बताइए, you are saying nobody is being denied. I am standing on the ground, Mr. Malik. I am standing on the ground outside the refilling station here in Manesar, where people are being denied because they don't have an Aadhaar card of Gurgaon. And you are saying nobody is being denied,
every
sir.
district, please listen, every district, every state has been allocated a quota. Is it right or wrong? If that is the case, when the entire nation has a quota for oxygen everywhere, then you tell me how am I supposed to fulfill when I get calls in the night and I am trying to fulfill the needs of the hospital, when I hear
Yes.
people dying on the road, when I hear
Yes.
people sitting and without oxygen dying, I get a call, I'm supposed to
Raghav,
arrange oxygen. By the time I arrange oxygen,
let me get a response
they die.
from
What am I
let me get a
supposed to
response
do?
from Raghav Chadda on this, sir. Let me get a response from Raghav Chadda on this. Raghav, clearly, I mean, we can see right now how the worst time to in fact play the regionalism or the state card, but this is the reality on the ground. Mr. Raman Malik says that because the numbers of Delhi and the government of Delhi is not able to cater to them, people are spilling over in the suburbs. They will have to stop or say no because they have to take care of their own people as well. You just heard, there are people standing since morning with the Aadhaar card of Delhi. They have been denied oxygen refilling because they are not from Gurgaon.
Look, first of all, I think this is the worst time to divide this country among states and, play the card of regionalism, as you put it. This is the time when cutting across party lines, cutting across religions, caste, creed, all people should come together to fight this invisible virus. And I won't even dignify the response of the BJP spokesperson with my remark. Let me say this, that all state governments, central governments, everybody needs to come together. There is a situation at hand. The situation is grim. No government was prepared for this unprecedented crisis. All I can through you say that yes, there is an oxygen crisis that is at hand, and it is for the union government to step up and resolve this crisis. There is ample oxygen in this country. However, there is a problem qua the logistics of oxygen. Now, one suggestion that I can certainly make to the union government through your channel is to ensure that geographical proximity of a state must be kept in mind while allocating oxygen to them. Now, for example, if Delhi is allocated oxygen from far-flung parts of eastern India, like West Bengal, Odisha, etc., then it becomes very difficult to ply our cryogenic tankers to Odisha and Bengal and bring oxygen. Number two.
Okay, Raghav, very quickly, in conclusion, please tell me one thing. Very quickly, in conclusion, please tell me one thing. Where do these people go? They are saying we are not getting oxygen in Delhi. Now they are being turned away from Haryana as well. What do I tell these people, those who are asking me, how do we save our loved ones?
Look, I don't wish to give a political response, Ankit, and please don't see this as a political response. But the fact is that Delhi is battling a huge oxygen crisis. Our demand is 976. We are getting 440 metric ton. How can we satisfy 976 with only 440? You cannot do that. And therefore, there is a crisis and people are running helter-skelter. And, quite frankly, I have no words to express the pain and grief that all of us are going through. We are moving heaven and earth to save every hospital. Okay. You know this very well, that we are responding to each and every SOS call made by any hospital and trying to send oxygen from our own reserves. And, with this limited amount of oxygen, we're trying to save as many lives as we can. So my humble request to the Honorable Union Government, to the Honorable Prime Minister is that please give Delhi its due